Morning all. There's a lovely view, the sun coming through the trees. The sun's coming up. Oh, we're going this way, are we? Apparently we are. We're just going down this, looks like a fire break. There's no other reason for this little trail to be here. Except for the spider webs. A nice big old gum tree. Nothing on it though. It's just an old trail that somebody's put in at one point. Looks like somebody's been along here when it was really wet and muddy. You can hear the main road. Oh, very, very busy over there. She's keen to go wherever she wants. She's going, let's go, let's go, let's go. Why do you want to go somewhere? It's so fascinating that you need to go, go, go. Somebody really got bogged there. Some tractor. And we're back on another trail. This one is a proper trail. She says, I don't like the trail, I want to walk in the grass. She's very much a grass walking dog, whereas Wolf likes to walk on the paths. She says, no, I don't want to walk on grass. I think he's got stronger, tougher paws than what she does. She's got little snow paws. And it got a bit quieter. Interesting. Got a bit quieter. Oh dear. She says I'm done. Oh, okay then. Well, if you're done, oh, roly-poly. Wants to do a roly-poly, but she got in the way with the lead. And it's all twisted. There we go. Roly-poly. You're funny. Anyway everyone, I'll leave you to it. See you later.